Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to learn how to add a quiz inside any units or inside any courses. So earlier we have already added some questions in a question bank. So we're going to use a question bank and just drag drop or just import other questions from the question bank within this course. Okay. So to do this, just turn editing on. Just remember this one. Anytime you want to add anything or delete anything from the course, you have to turn editing on the first place. Then let's go under this unit 1 section. Here we have a level that we don't need. Just delete this one. This is empty. Just delete this one. Okay. So under sample task and activities, here we have add an activity or resource. Let's add a quiz. So over here we have quiz. Let's select this option quiz. And let's name this quiz whatever it is. This is a quiz. That's it. You can just play around with all the options, and there's no specific training required because it's self-explanatory. Timing, if you want to add timing for this quiz like 10 minutes 20 minutes, you can do that, and all the stuff you can just explore this one later. As of now, just name this quiz and click save and return to course. So we have added a courses, but we have not added any question inside this course, right? So let's click here, edit quiz, and let's add question. Now remember, we have added questions inside our question bank. So we're not going to select a new question. We're just going to select the second option, which is from question bank. So we also have created a category, right? The category was unit 1. So let's select this category, and we want to select the questions that is under the category unit 1. Okay, so we have selected this category. Now we have these two questions under unit 1 category that we have just added. So let's select both the questions. You can do this one. If you have like hundreds of questions over here or just 10, 20 questions, just click this box over here and all the questions will be selected if you want to add all the questions. Or you can just do manually, just create the questions that you want to add. And then add selected questions to the quiz. And here, if you want to assign any marks to the question, let's say, since we have two questions, we are assigning 5 marks each. 5, select 5 and then enter. Don't forget to press enter or else it won't be saved. So now we have added these two questions and we have assigned 5 marks each question. Now we're going to press save, and that's it. So it's already saved. In case if you want to add any more question, you can repeat the process again. But in my case, I'm already done. I have added all the questions. Now let's go back to the course. Now, once I go back to the course, this question is going to be, this quiz is going to be published. Okay, and student can attempt this quiz. So let's use this BCM 103 to navigate back to our course. Okay, now on the bottom we have our quiz already added. Now if we select here, let's just turn editing off, because that way we're gonna see a much cleaner interface. So all the things, additional things are gone. We have unit 1, we have introduction, we have heading, we have a video, and under the video we have a quiz. If we select here attempt quiz now, if we click attempt quiz now, then we are going to find the questions that we have added, like who was the first prime minister? Jawaharlal Nehru. And lion is the king of the forest. Let's click true and finish attempt. Answer saved, and it's going to save, and the answer are going to be saved in a gradebook. In case we are enrolled as a student, then we already have our gradebook, and the answers are going to save. And the marks that we have assigned, like 5 marks each for each correct question, for each correct answer, the marks is also going to be saved in the gradebook. So that's it. Submit all and finish. Submit all and finish, and that's it. This is correct answer, Jawaharlal Nehru. This is correct answer, true. And our grade is 10 out of 10, which is 100%. And this grade is going to be added to our grade book. Okay. So let's go back to our course. we have done two important things. First one is decorating our courses using label. There are a lot of other things, but we have used label because this is quite easy to use and there's no technicalities. You can just simply select your text, and another important highlight over here, just use the important text, the important information that you want to share, so that the course is not overcrowded. And then we can add videos, we can embed videos directly from YouTube. Just copy and paste the link in the text editor and click save. The video is going to be embedded, and then under that we can use all the activities. From all the activities we have just selected quiz. So if you want to provide the same quiz, I mean, if you want to repeat the same quiz again and again for all the sections, then you can do one thing. You can just duplicate this one, right? You can just duplicate this one and blah, this is duplicated. And you can use this part to rename this quiz like this is another quiz, right? And press enter. So now we have another quiz. And if you want to, change the place of this quiz, because under unit 1 we already have a quiz, so let's just take it to the unit 2. Take it here, delete this thing, unnecessary stuff, we don't need this. Just click delete. Now we have, see, we have duplicated this course first, and we have this course in both the sections. This way all the sections are going to look more resourceful. Like we have contents, we have quizzes. If you don't have enough time to create, this is an unofficial suggestion. If you don't have enough time to create many quizzes, you can just do this. Just rename the quiz and duplicate this quiz first, then rename this quiz, and then just provide this quiz, same quiz again and again under each of the units, so that, yeah, that's it. So that's it for now, and I'm going to bring some additional tutorials, like adding other features, adding some more activities, like how to add surveys and how to add this workshop and wikis and all the other stuff. But as of now, let's just stick with this two important thing, that is label and quizzes. Okay, that's it. Thank you for now, and I'm gonna see you soon.